What if you could boost your sales productivity by up to 40%? Seriously. And not by working longer, but by mastering just one single skill: how to talk to AI. Today, we're going to lay out the entire roadmap for you: how to use these incredible tools to your advantage, all while keeping your most sensitive data locked down tight. Okay, before we dive into the good stuff, we need to get a really important piece of housekeeping out of the way. The source material for this is very clear, and I'm going to read it directly. This tutorial from Virtualization Options LLC offers general guidance intended for a typical organization. However, every organization is unique and requires training tailored to its specific needs. This specialized training addresses the tools and processes that can help reduce risks and enhance productivity goals within the organization. Please note that the guidance provided may not be applicable to your specific situation and is offered without any warranty expressed or implied. For this reason, we develop customized training after collaborating closely with an organization to identify its unique needs and priorities. So what does that mean for you? Think of this as the master blueprint. It's solid, but you'll still need to tailor it to build your house with your specific needs. All right, with that crucial context set, let's talk about why this is such a big deal. This isn't just about saving a little time here and there. We're talking about a massive competitive edge. This number right here, it says it all. We're not talking about a 5% bump. Sales pros who really get the hang of AI are seeing their productivity jump by 30 to 40%. I mean, that's a game changer. That's getting a whole day or two back every single week. More time for building relationships, more time for closing deals, and way less time buried in busy work. So how in the world does that 40% boost actually happen? Well, it really boils down to four key things. First, time multiplication. You're literally turning hours of tedious research or writing into just a few minutes. Then there's consistency at scale. You can give every single prospect that high-quality, personalized touch, not just the few you have energy for. And that, of course, gives you a huge competitive advantage. You're creating deep, custom insights while everyone else is still using the same old generic templates. And maybe my favorite one, reduce cognitive load. You get to offload all that routine thinking and save your brainpower for the stuff that actually moves the needle, like strategy and negotiation. Now, here's the best part. Unlocking all of that potential doesn't mean you have to learn a dozen new pieces of software. Nope. It all comes down to mastering one core skill, and that's what this whole roadmap is about. And that skill is called prompt engineering. It's basically the art and science of giving an AI exactly the right instructions to get what you want. You know, think of the AI as the smartest, fastest intern you've ever had. If you give it vague, lazy instructions, you're going to get useless results. But if you give it precise, well-crafted instructions, oh, you get pure gold. And this just shows you the difference perfectly. It is night and day. On the left, write a sales email. You know what you're going to get? Something completely generic that you can't use. But look at the right. The engineered prompt gives the AI a role, some context, a specific audience, and a clear problem to solve. That's the difference between wasting your time and literally multiplying it. But hold on. Before we go any deeper into how to do this, we have to talk about the single most important rule of the game. And this isn't some side note. This is the absolute foundation of using AI responsibly at work. Here it is. This is the non-negotiable rule. You never, ever put actual customer names, company details, your secret strategies, or any other confidential data into a public AI tool. This has to be your framework for everything you do. Security comes first, always. So what exactly are we talking about protecting? The source breaks it down into three critical buckets that you have to anonymize every single time. First, you've got PII, personally identifiable information. That's your customer's name, their email, their company, anything that can identify them. Second is IP, or intellectual property. This is your company's secret sauce, your unique sales process, your pricing models, all that good stuff. And finally, confidential business info. Think your sales pipeline, revenue numbers, contract details. All of this stays completely out of your prompts, period. Okay, so now that we're crystal clear on the security mandate, let's get practical. Let's actually break down the building blocks of a prompt that gets you amazing results. A perfect prompt is like a recipe with 6 key ingredients. You start by assigning the AI a role, like act as a senior marketing director. Then you give it some anonymized context and a really clear task. After that, you can specify the format. Maybe you want a bulleted list or a table. You can add constraints like keep it under 200 words, and you can even provide an example of what a good answer looks like. You won't use all 6 every time, but knowing these components is how you engineer a precise result instead of just guessing. So that's the theory. Now let's look at how we're actually going to put this into practice. The full tutorial is laid out as a 10-chapter journey, and it's designed to take any sales pro from a total beginner to a true expert. Part 1 is all about building a rock-solid foundation. We start with the core ideas of prompt engineering and then give you beginner techniques you can use immediately. We spend a whole chapter just on data security, showing you exactly how to keep your info safe. From there, we move to intermediate stuff for more complex tasks, and then we give you a bunch of sales-specific templates so you're not starting from a blank page. By the end of this first part, you'll be a confident and secure AI user. Then, in Part 2, we kick it up a notch. This is where you go from being a practitioner to a real strategist. You'll learn how to handle really complex sales situations and specifically how to protect your company's intellectual property. Then we scale it up, showing you how to build shared prompt libraries for your whole team to boost everyone's performance. And finally, we close the loop by teaching you how to measure the actual return on investment of all this. And, of course, how to stay ahead of the curve. This is the path from a personal skill to a true organizational advantage. And that really leaves us with a critical question. This isn't just about learning a new tool. This is about a fundamental shift in what it means to be a top performer in sales. The ability to direct AI with precision and with security is the new differentiator. Your competition is already working on this, so the only question left is, are you ready to lead the charge?